Hello. With the introduction of smart reporting, Remedy users for the first time have the ability to create reports that include data from multiple unrelated Remedy forms. In the past, to attempt this type of reporting, it would first require that a Remedy developer create a join form. This process required Remedy administrator level access and knowledge of the Remedy Developer Studio. This was beyond the reach of most typical end users or business analysts. Smart reporting has changed all that. Views can now easily be created graphically in the reporting solution itself. Programming expertise and even SQL knowledge is not required. For this example, we will use a couple of the forms in the sample training application that's included with the AR server. The class form has details about specific training classes, while the enrollment contains information about which students have signed up for which classes. Class ID is in both forms, so it should be very easy to match the related records. Information from both forms would be required to create a report like list all classes for each student and include class title, instructor, location, status, and start date. In order to create a report, we must first add a view to the Smart Reporting data layer. Smart Reporting makes this a snap by providing an easy-to-use graphical editor. The data will be sourced from the AR system and will include this view in the general views. The drag and drop editor is designed to walk through the process of creating a view. Once you give the view a name, the first step is to select the Remedy forms that will be included. As you can see, you have access to every form on the Remedy server, not just those included as part of the ITSM applications. For this view, we'd like to select the class and enrollment forms and then select the fields from each form we'd like to include. For this example, we don't need every field in the form, but since this view might be used to support other reports in the future, we should probably include a few more fields than we're using on this report. To make sure we only get matching information from each form, we have to tell Smart Reporting how these forms are related. In database terms, this relationship is called the join. Since a class has multiple enrollments related to it, but any specific enrollment is only related to a single class, we set the cardinality to 1 to many. The details are pretty simple because both forms contain class ID, but you are capable of creating much more sophisticated join criteria. If you're interested in seeing the actual SQL that's being generated, it is available. You can also preview the raw data, something that can be very helpful in double-checking the relationships are correct, and also that you've included all the necessary fields. If you're satisfied with the data being returned, Step 2 allows you to choose how you'd like to present it to the report builder. Often table names do not necessarily match the way a business user would refer to the data. This allows you to control not just the names of the items, but also how are they grouped. I've chosen to present class and enrollment information separately, but I could just have easily put all the fields into a single group. Step 3 allows you to review everything you've done before saving and activating the view. Your view is now available to be used to create reports. From the class form, take the class ID, title, and instructor. From the enrollment form, we take the location, start time, and the student's login name. We also wanted the report grouped by employee name, so we take that field and drag it into the sections. If we switch over to the Output tab, we can see our report. There is both class and enrollment information being shown together. Smart Reporting provides ITSM customers with the modern, easy-to-use reporting capabilities required to succeed in the world of digital service management. Thank you, and have a good day.